Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. We are from Group 7. We will present about classroom action research. And the member of this group are Dewi Nikita, Ardika Baharudin Safi'i, Ilyas, and Nadif Adia. Okay, first, what is classroom action research? Action research is a process in which educators examine their own practice systematically and carefully using the techniques of research. Bogdan and Bikland explain that action research is the systematic collection of information that is designed to bring about social change.
Types of action research. There are two types of action research. The first is practical action research, and the second is participatory action research. Practical action research. Teachers seek to research problems in their own classroom so that they can improve their students' learning and their own professional performance. This form of action research is called practical action research. Practical action research involves a small scale research project narrowly focused on specific problem or research. The examples of practical action research studies include the first, an advanced teacher studies the disruptive behavior of a child in her classroom. The second is a team composed of students, teachers, and parents studies the result of implementing a new math program in the junior high school. The third is a community college instructor studies his professional development using technology in teaching. The second is participatory action research. Participatory action research has a long history in social inquiry involving communities, industries, and other organizations outside of education. Example, Chemist and Made Target 2005. The purpose of participatory action research is to improve the quality of people's organization, communities, and family lives.
Characteristic of classroom action research. There are some characteristic of classroom action research. Number one, based on views of Winter, Chemist, and Taggart, and Santiasa, uh, classroom action research characteristic as below. Number one, classroom action research effort is to solve real problems in the classroom supported with scientific ways to solve the problems. Number two, classroom action research focused on action. Number three, classroom action research directed to repair or to improve learning quality. It means that there is a change in the teacher, improvement or development of his or her attitudes and behaviors. Number four, classroom action research is important parts of teacher professional development efforts by critical thinking activities systematically and force teachers to write and make notes. Number five, classroom action research used many ways to collect data. And then number six, most of classroom action research rely on data directly found from the reflection. Number seven, there is little similarity of classroom action research with experiment research. And then the last, number eight, classroom action research is situational and specific, generally conducted by case study implementation. The purpose of classroom action research. The purpose The purposes of action research in school and classroom fall broadly into 5 categories. Cohen in 1989. First, it is means of remedying problems diagnosed in specific situations, or improving in some way a given set of circumstances. Second, it is a means of in-service training, thereby equipping the teacher with new skills and methods, sharpening his analytical powers and heightening his self-awareness. Third, it is a means of injecting additional or innovatory approaches to teaching and learning into an ongoing system which normally inhibits innovation and change. Fourth, it is a means of improving the normally poor communication between the practicing teacher and academic researcher. Fifth, it is a means of providing a preferable alternative to more subjective approach to problem solving in the classroom.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Baik, saya Nanti Fadia akan membacakan set berikutnya, yaitu set yang ke-7 dan set yang ke-8. Talking about the step in classroom action research. Classroom action research is done to a cycle and is designed into 4 steps. Chemist and Tagar state the research is start by planning for an action. Most model present action research as a cycle, starting with a question and ending with more question. The image right side is intended to capture the cycle nature of classroom action research. Jadi ada cycle-nya dalam classroom action research ada step-stepnya dan itu harus terpenuhi. Ini ada beberapa pendapat yang bisa dilihat di dalam makalahnya atau di PPT-nya ini. Next, the benefits of classroom action research. CAR or classroom action research benefited as educational innovation that grow from the bottom, because teachers are the vanguard of education practice. And the second is classroom action research. Research can be used as output for curriculum development. Curriculum development process affected by interrelated ideas about the nature of education and learning, appreciation of the teachers. And third, the benefit of classroom action research is improving teacher professionalism and endorse teachers to develop their skill and knowledge. This is the benefit of classroom action research. So this is a good method to make us as the teacher to be a good teacher or quality teacher. That's okay. Thank you very much for your attention, guys. We are from 7 group. We say we so sorry if have many mistake, and the last time and see you next time. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.